Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here with us today. As you probably have seen from not just me, but other speakers as well, is that we move a lot when we speak. I mean, I'm only here for like half a second. I've moved like shuffling all over the place. However, unfortunately, there are about 3 million people in which doing something as simple as 6-7 is extremely difficult. Sorry, my lab dares me to do this. These patients suffer from a condition called multiple sclerosis. This is a condition in which your own immune cell actually attack the protective coating around your neuron called myelin. And because of this, cell-to-cell communication is extremely difficult. And even more unfortunately is that there's actually no treatment or no cure for this disease right now. So that is essentially the central problem that I try to tackle with my project. Is there a way for us to regenerate or to generate new myelin? I'm not going to sit here or stand here and tell you about the whole entire process, because it's going to take the whole entire night. But what we found in the lab is actually by depleting a population of cells called microglia, this is the innate immune cell of the brain, we actually see an increase in a cell called oligodendrocytes. This is the cell that generate myelin. This is a novel finding, so currently I'm still in the process of seeing whether this can be a potential therapeutic target or not. But hopefully in the future, we can utilize this finding to apply to maybe better the current disease-modifying treatment, or even better, find a cure for this disease. With that, I'd like to thank you, everyone in the audience, and of course, my amazing lab, my PI, and all of my amazing lab members, and my cohort as well. Thank you.